So here we have the Mini 3-door hatchback automatic on a 58 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, it's a 3-door car, as I mentioned, with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As you can see, the back of the car here, we have a 50-50 split folding rear seat so that you can increase this boot space. And actually the boot space is pretty decent considering the car is a Mini, of course. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, as you can see. Within that, we have the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 57,786, so very low mileage for the car's age. Within that section, it'll also show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. If we press a button on the indicator stalk, you get various different bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and, as you can see on the screen now, a digital readout for the speedometer as well. On the steering wheel, we have these buttons just here that push and pull, and you can use those to go up and down a gear manually on this automatic gearbox should you wish to, and you have the same paddles on both sides to do that with. In the center, we have the main speedometer for the car, we have the fuel gauge, and of course the stereo as well. So you are able to access your AM, FM radio, CD player and auxiliary input. From up here, you can also configure certain settings on the car using this dial, and you can access your onboard computer as well. CD player is down here along with the main volume for the stereo, and then we have air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute. That's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have a heated front and rear screen as well. Electric windows, front and rear fog lights, a deadlock so you can lock the car doors from the outside. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.